Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're out here today test driving my buddy's truck that we just finished a custom single turbo kit on. It's a 19 Silverado, 3/4 ton truck. It's got a built 6-liter and a 7885 turbo. This thing is a freaking monster. 650 wheel horsepower this thing puts down. And check this out. 25 miles per gallon average. Unreal. This thing is a beast. Should we see what it can do? Oh yeah. Oh man, this thing's an absolute riot. If there's any of you guys out there that want us to build you a truck like this, hit me up. Premier Performance in Utah, 801-966-4560. We can build you something just like this or even better. Thanks for watching my channel, guys. I appreciate your support. We'll see you next time.